Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a before and after video transition effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select two videos, and on the second video I'm going to make it like into black and white video. So I'm just going to go to adjustment and select saturation and turn it down. So this is a black and white video, and I am then going to press mask on the second video, select split, and I'm going to add a keyframe here. Actually, I might add a keyframe at the beginning of the video, and I'm going to put it like on the very top where you can't really see it, and at the end I'm going to add another one and slowly and like pull it down. It's very hard to, okay, and I'm just going to pull that down, and then I'm going to add in a neon light like on top of these two videos. Just going to adjust it, and I'm going to go to basic and add a keyframe basically and move it like so it's not seen, and then I'm going to add another keyframe here and move it down here, and hopefully it goes like together with the mask. I think it does, honestly, but it just changes from from like a color to like black and white. That's what I meant. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!